Hi everybody. Today I will show you how to get C translation on Instagram bio. So as you can see here that we are inside our Instagram profile, and to get C translation option, first of all what we have to do, we have to add something in our bios, and that should be in another language that you're using on the Instagram. So for that what I need to do, I would actually need to go inside the edit profile. So for that I'm going to simply tap on it. And after this, what you have to do, you actually have to click on your bios. And here I have copied something in the Spanish language that I'm going to simply paste it here. All right. And now I'll simply save this by clicking on the check icon. And now I'm going to go back to my profile. So I have basically added the bio in another language on my Instagram profile. So now to see the translation, I actually have to change my account here, and then I will need to visit my account as another user. So right now I'm going to simply change my account here. All right. So as you can see here that I'm in another account, and here what I have to do, I have to click on the search. Now I have to search my profile here. All right. So as you can see my profile here, and I'm going to simply click on the second one because this is my profile. And now you will be able to see translation option in my Instagram bio. And I'm going to simply tap on this, and you will be able to see the converted or the translated message here. Okay, so this is how you can get see translation on the Instagram bio. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.